Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to achieve long hair, step by step. Starting your journey to long hair begins with understanding your unique hair type and its specific needs. Establish a gentle washing routine, ideally 2 to 3 times per week, to avoid stripping natural oils. Always use a wide tooth comb to detangle wet hair carefully, working from the ends up to prevent breakage and promote healthy growth. Nourishing your hair from within is crucial for achieving significant length. Focus on a balanced diet, ensuring you get plenty of vitamins and minerals essential for hair health. You might also consider supplements such as biotin or collagen, but always consult a healthcare professional first. Additionally, make it a habit to apply a deep conditioning treatment weekly. This will hydrate and strengthen your hair, reducing split ends. Protecting your hair from damage is just as important as promoting growth. Minimize heat styling as much as possible, and if you must use heat, always apply a quality heat protectant. Sleeping on a silk or satin pillowcase can significantly reduce friction and tangles overnight. Remember to get regular trims, about 1/4 of an inch every 3 to 4 months, to remove split ends and maintain healthy growth. Once you've achieved your desired length, maintaining it requires continued care. Always handle your long hair gently, avoiding tight hairstyles that can cause tension and breakage. Protect your hair from environmental damage, such as prolonged sun exposure or chlorine from swimming pools. For more tips and to explore new ways to relax, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Happy reading and happy hair growing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.